Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign in Google Lens. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to sign in our account in your Google Lens, all you need to do is simply tap on the Google app. So once you have tapped on the search bar, you need to go and tap on your profile. There you can find a downward option, so simply tap on it and tap on add another account. So once you do this, all you need to do now is simply type in your email address or your phone number which you want to use to sign in your Google Lens. So once you have typed it in, you need to hit the next button, and after you do so, you need to now type in the password of your account as well. So after you're done typing in both the credentials, your email address or phone number and your password, you need to hit the next button and you will be signed in your Google Lens. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.